Okay, we're not always hot rods and insurance wreck. Today we got this little Husqvarna Z246 mower. Got a little deck problem. Say my son was a mowing in the weeds and hit a stump. Anyway, he hit the stump so hard when it hit the deck caught it right here, bent that in, and broke it loose right back here. So we're fixing to try to get this line back up and get it welded and weld it back on. Hang on. Okay, I've not took a lot of decks in and out from under lawnmowers, but this is one of the easiest ones I've done anyway. What I'll do is I just slide my deck up under there as far as I can. I like to get my belts, well, the belt, get the belt set in place on these pulleys. That way it's all up under there like it needs to be. And then I just pull the belt back and put it around the crankshaft. So what I do is I just slide my deck up under there as far as I can. And then I can pick the mower up to get it as close like I said, get as close as I can, which you can just about get it all the way up under there sliding it. Be a lot easier if I wasn't holding the camera with one hand. Hold on a second, I'll set it down here. You can see the one bar, it just hooks in these slots, so you kind of slide it forward. Well, hard to work the camera and slide, but you can kind of see what I'm talking about. See, it's in place now. Slide it back. Then these will lock up here, and then these will go right down there. So let me get everything in place and then I'll show you. Okay, if you can see, I got all the keyways in place. That one right there on both sides, and this one right here. I'll make sure I got my belt up in the groove still. Slide it back that way. And then we'll go to the back here. Up under the back. Pull it up over your rail, or your little arms, I guess you call it. Slide it around your pulley. Got it around the pulley. Now we'll go up here to our adjuster. I think it's on the other side. Hold on. Yep. Now, all right, there it is. We pulled the deck out, welded up the broken piece, straightened the front piece. Went ahead, I didn't show it, but we sharpened the blades while we was at it. Went ahead and greased everything, plugged that front tire. Need to see if we can find what's leaking on this back one and plug it. But that's how you remove the deck, weld it, and put it back under there. We're gonna fire it up and go out here and see if we can mow a little bit and see what happens. Thanks everybody for tuning in. 256 Garage out.